Good morning, everyone. Welcome to our final progress video for this project, OOP, which is called the Spider-Man game. In our over here, first we'll head down into our game.hpp code. Over here in this code, we have defined public and private member functions. For example, handling events, update, render, startup, render, level 1, game over, and obviously cleaning. We have also defined over here some vectors such as check platform, which will basically help tell us if Spider-Man is placed on a platform that is displayed on a screen or not, and when it is placed, it will act like a separate ground for it. Over here in our game.cpp, obviously over here we have our loading textures, which is the background of our game, some instructions as well. Over here we've also done a bit of cleaning and memory management that you can see over here, and rendering game over and other screens for game one is also being done in this game. In our goblin.hpp over here, we are basically generating our first villain, which is the green goblin. Over here, we have initialized its health to 100 and we set its velocity by 5. As he is shooting projectiles from it, we are considered that projectile to be a vector over here. In goblin.cpp, over here we are just rendering it. We are making its movement. We are updating its projectiles for when it reaches the end of the screen. We have also made functions like taking damage, etc. Okay, as we move along over here, we have power up. Okay, so power up, there are basically two types of power up. There's a health power up that will basically heal Spider-Man's health, and then there's an attack power up which will basically boost the attack of Spider-Man so it can deal more damage to the Green Goblin over here. So this is power up.cpp, and in power up.edu you can see we have declared apply power up. Obviously, for it is set to 0. Once we have acquired the power up, then we will do it. It's a virtual void over here. And as we move down, we have our projectile.cpp. These projectile.cpp are basically the webs that Spider-Man shoots and the bombs that the Green Goblin shoots, both of them. As you can see, all of them are belonging to unit.hpp. All of these are derived from unit.hpp. Now, if you want to see runtime polymorphism, we can see it in a power up, because when the game is running and Spider-Man comes across a power up, he will basically on that runtime decide what kind of power up it is. And in our health we are using let me just find in our health we are using operator overloading for updating our health as well. So if we run our game over here, just compile it. It's taking a long time to compile for some reason. Yeah, so now let's execute it. So this is our start screen. Over here we have the instructions. There is A for backward movement, D for forward movement, W for jump, and P for shooting. We've also located a timer on this. As we start over, as you can see over here, if a bomb is encountered, Spider-Man's health is decreasing. W for jump, P for shooting his projectile, and if a projectile is landed, Green Goblin's health is also increasing. Now for the platform, once we go activate power boost, and as you can see, now we can deal more damage to the Green Goblin. If you have taken health power up, it restores its health completely. And if we go over here, other platforms are also acting like a separate. Now, if we want to win this game, we have to defeat the Green Goblin. So let's see if I'm able to do that. Okay. We can also see that if you're below the background, we cannot just go through the platforms over here, and it's on 15, 10, 5, and when we have won it, this end screen appears. If for some reason we have lost the game, Spider-Man health is 0, there's also another game over screen as well present for that case. Thank you.